guys, welcome back to my channel. I know I haven't made a video in a while and I don't know how many I'll make after this and like what kind of time span, but today I wanted to do like a little crafty video that I've been kind of planning on doing and I've procrastinated for some time now. But yeah, let's go ahead and jump into it. Okay, so I'm doing a shadow box project with a cat skull and some flowers. So just a basic shadow box. I got it like Hobby Lobby. I already have one out. And then I have my cat skull here. So I got this skull, actually found it when I was on a trip somewhere, and basically I just found a cat that had passed away and I cleaned it a couple years ago and wanted to do a project with it. And then we have some, like, I don't know if these are Queen Anne's lace flowers that I pressed or the copycat version of it. I don't really remember, but basically I pressed these a couple years ago and wanted to do a project with them, and here is that project. So we're gonna use a glue gun today too, and yeah, let's go ahead and start doing it. I'm gonna probably lay these out. Like I'm gonna glue the skull and the jaw pieces, and then I'm gonna assort the flowers in a way that I like. So yeah. Okay, so I've got it together. Sorry if the light back. I think it looks nice. What do you guys think? This is like the second time I've done anything as far as like decorating with bones or skulls or whatever. The first one you can watch wherever that is. I'll put it down in the description below. But this one was a little different because this is the only one I have like this. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed. I hope this gave you some type of inspiration with decorating one of your oddities or bones or skulls or whatever you have. And and I hope you all have a beautiful day. Mwah.